Uber reported earnings yesterday and they beat on top and bottom line, which is why the stock was up huge yesterday. In this video, I am going to go through their earnings and then determine Uber's valuation by looking at valuation metrics such as the price to sales. I am also going to look at the balance sheet, and finally, to calculate Uber's intrinsic value, I am going to use my Excel spreadsheet. This is the thing that I want to focus on: their earnings, which is net loss was 157 million, which includes a 320 million net benefit due to net unrealized gains related to the revaluation of Uber's equity investments. This means that they made investments in other companies, and those investments were up 320 million last quarter. And the new SEC rules, which Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger don't agree with, says that if the stock you have invested in goes up in value, you need to report it as a net income, which is not really net income, it's investment income. But I wanted to mention this because this is a big gain for Uber. If they didn't have that, they would have had a much bigger loss. Starting with the valuation measures, in terms of price to sales, Uber is trading at a 2.3 price to sales, which is very fair for a company that has a 38% profit margin. Moving on to analyst estimates, they are expecting this company to make $1.34 in 2025. If we apply a 25p to this company, it would make it a $33.5 stock in 2025. So not a lot of upside potential according to analysts. A very positive aspect about Uber is that they have very little debt. Their debt is the difference between the market cap and enterprise value, and as you can see, they only have $4 billion in debt. Then, to calculate Uber's intrinsic value, I used my Excel spreadsheet, which tells me at what price you should buy a stock based on the assumptions you put in. On screen, you're seeing a 7-year analysis, and as you can see, Uber looks very good valued. According to my high assumptions, you would make 25% every year, and according to my middle assumptions, this stock is also a buy and you would make around 13% every year. I am personally going to wait for Uber stock to hit lower prices because I think the market as a whole is overvalued, and I'm probably interested in Uber at around $20 or $25. I hope you enjoyed the analysis, and I'll see you on the next one.